Well, thanks for joining me today to walk around this 2026 Nautique G25. What a gorgeous looking boat. We've got her outside here in the sun, and this is the steel blue metal flake, one of my favorites. And then it's got the black bottom. Nice big surf boat. It's a 19-person boat. Bring all your friends and family. We got the nice swim platform right here. We've got seats in the back to hang out when you're just chilling. Obviously, there's a bunch to see on the interior, so please join me aboard. All right, thanks for joining me. Again, Nautique G25. This has got the mocha interior with some black accents. Great thing with Nautique is this true walk-through right here with all sea deck. They give you a lot of options here for not stepping on your cushions. So as you're getting on the boat from the dock, you can go right there, right to sea deck. Then as we walk down onto the boat, more sea deck. It puts less stress on all your cushions over the time. So we've got so much seating in the G25. Like I said, it's a 19-person boat. You got plenty of cup holders, places for phones, places to plug in. We got a bench seat that pulls out. We got a backrest right here that pops out. Great companion seat that is heated as well, and storage underneath. As we come up to the glove box, you've got nice deep storage here. You've got places for a couple extra phones to get charged up. And then we have the wave front speakers right there. All JL audio throughout the boat. We got JL audio up here on the tower. We got the bimini. And we have the new 2026 board racks. They have 3 different positions, one here in the middle, outside and inside. Gorgeous. This tower does fold backward if need be. Then let's come to the helm, one of my favorite places. Helm seat, got the bolster seat here if you need it. That does go down. You got a place right here for your leg to cut through. So simple to drive. You got electronic steering, so you're not fighting that steering wheel. We've got all your information and controls right here on the right side, place for your phone, and then the nice big 15-inch touch screen. Super easy to use. Software is made in-house at Nautique. Wonderful layout here for the driver. Then as we come to the bow, lots of space here in the bow. It does have the bow filler cushion in it right now. That can be flipped around with sea deck on the other side. Flip up armrests. Again, more cup holders. Cannot have enough cup holders. LED lighting throughout. Underwater lighting. This is just a beast. What a boat. Great for surfing, wakeboarding, or just hanging out with the crew. So this boat here, that is a Rogers location. Stop on by anytime, take a look. Give us a call to set up a demo or to just set up a viewing. Thanks for joining me today.